Got your dream admission in the US? Congratulations! But before you pack your bags, there's one more step you have to complete, the DS-160 form. Don't worry though, because this video will guide you step by step from start to finish, making the process as painless as possible. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video. Step 1. Gather your documents. Before getting started, let's gather our documents. Begin with your passport I-20 form and a recent digitized passport photo. Step 2. Fill up the DS-160 form and answer the security question. Head to the US Department of State website and click Apply for a non-immigrant visa. Then choose your consulate and answer the security question. Think of the maiden name of your mom's mom or your favorite childhood pet's name. Choose something only you would know. Step 3. Personal information and passport details, the basics. Fill in your name, date of birth, address and contact information like any other form. Enter your passport details carefully. Number, date of issue and expiration date. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay in the US. Keep in mind that accuracy is key. Any discrepancies could raise red flags, so double check everything. Step 4. Family, education and travel history. Let's get personal. Now things get a little more interesting. Tell them about your family and your educational background, starting with high school and moving up to your current or most recent program. Don't forget to mention any previous trips you've taken abroad, including any visits to the US. Be honest and detailed. Even minor omissions can cause delays. Step 5. F1 visa specifics, the nitty-gritty of your US study plans. This is where you get specific about your US study plans. Tell the form about your chosen university, program, expected start date and funding source, scholarships, loans, parental support, etc. Don't forget to mention your intended arrival date and planned duration of stay. Have you ever worked before? If so, list your employment history, including your job title, companies, and dates of employment. This helps demonstrate your financial stability and ability to support yourself during your studies. Step 7. Review and upload the photo. Before hitting submit, take a deep breath and review everything. Typos, missing information, fix them now. Finally, upload your recent digital photo that meets the US visa photo requirements. Don't forget to smile brightly, future scholars. Step 8. Confirmation and payment. You're almost there. Once you're satisfied, pay the visa application fee and print out your confirmation page. Keep this document safe. You'll need it for your visa interview. That's it, folks. You've easily filled out the DS-160 form. Leave a comment below with any questions that you might have about the DS-160 form or the F1 visa application process. Good luck with your visa application. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more study abroad tips and tricks.